What if your dashcam could do more than record your drives? The TIESFONG i7pro-WB is a 4-channel dashcam that records 360-degree footage around your car with a front camera that captures up to 4K resolution, and the rest of the 3 cameras are 1080p. The i7 Pro WP comes with the adhesive bracket which is removable like other dash cameras. Also, its fitting is very simple and 3M stickers are attached to it. In the package, 28 GB micro SD cards come with it. By the way, 128 GB memory card storage can record several hours of footage before needing to overwrite old files. On top of the dashcam, you will find GPS option and rear camera options. Here, you will find 24 by 7 radar button options, and you can adjust its security level from 1 to 2, and you can even switch off the dash camera. This hardware kit is required to enable the dash camera's 24 by 7 radar-based parking monitor feature, which records when movement is detected around your parked car. Also, voltages are mentioned here. Minimum is 11.8 volt and maximum is 12.2 volt. This hardware kit will use the battery power according to how much voltages are required, but I keep my kit up to 11.8 volts. The i7 Pro WP dashcam features a user-friendly menu that can be accessed from the dashcam, and I will show you some of my settings. With the dashcam powered on, press the M button to enter the menu settings. You may need to stop recording first, which is typically done with the OK button. You can adjust the resolution, IP LED, loop recording, microphone, G sensors, and more. Keep watching the video for more settings.